In this video, we're going to look at a blind spot that we have in our decision-making process, and it's called the pendulum effect. This will be an exercise in mental toughness, so stay tuned. Hi, for meeting for the first time, my name is Ndumi. I help leaders to be free to be all that they're meant to be. In this video, we're going to look at the pendulum effect and how this affects your decision-making process. And once you understand it, how it can help you to make better decisions. What is the pendulum effect? Basically, when you think of a pendulum, it swings from one end to another. The pendulum effect is how our brains, unfortunately, when we experience one extreme, want to swing completely to the next extreme. For example, when a girl is cheated on by a man, she thinks that all men are dogs. So she has gone from being in love to being hurt so badly that she believes that all men are dogs and that she'll never find love again. The right way of thinking is that yes, some men are dogs, but not all men are dogs. So one day you might find a man who is not a dog. So basically we're trying to move someone's thinking from swinging from extreme to extremes to more centering down in the middle. As a leader, you need to be aware of this all the time, because sometimes the pendulum effect can work on you. When one business idea might not work out for you, or one decision goes bad for you, you start to believe that the opposite is true. Meanwhile, it might not be true. You might need to center your thoughts. You might need to center and say, okay, I might believe that this is the truth, the extreme, but surely there has to be something in the middle. It can't be like this for 100% of the people. And if it's not like that for 100% of the people, then maybe your thought process has been affected by the pendulum effect. Why is this an exercise in mental toughness? Because you need to be mentally tough not to react when situations happen. You need to be able to fight that flight or fight response that you have when you come across something that you don't like. Because both flight and fight responses are extreme reactions to an event. So as a leader, you don't want to be oscillating and vacillating between two extremes, but you need to be able to find your center, to find your place where you can rest and say, this is the way forward, or this is the result of this action. More centered thinking is very important for leaders because you can end up literally from the frying pan into the fire. Question of the day. Can you identify in your life how the pendulum effect has affected some of the decisions that you've made in your life? If you'd like to share, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to read your responses. Taking hold of the pendulum is something every effective leader must do at one point in their life. It requires mental toughness, but the rewards are worth it. It prevents you from literally overreacting to a situation. And that is the key, overreacting. A leader should never overreact. They should always react appropriately. Thank you for watching this video. I hope understanding the pendulum effect will make you a better leader. If you got any value from this video, please like it, please share it with a friend, and make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my other videos. Take care.